guys, my name is Elash, and today we are back with another YouTube video, and yeah, double upload attack. Alright, let's get it. I haven't uploaded in a while, so I mean I have like but I haven't uploaded as consistently as I used to, so I decided to hit all of you guys with a double upload attack. And today we are bringing back an old series. Well, not an old series because I'm starting a new series on it, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, but Vehicle Simulator is back, okay? I haven't played this in a really long time. I'm not 100% sure why, but I just haven't visited this game in a while. But in the past couple days, I've been playing it a little bit, and now I have $1.6 million. As you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I've said that a lot of times now, but we are buying the Bugatti Veyron in today's video. So without further ado, let's head to the supercar dealership and buy this. And these are all my cars, as you can tell. And by the way, they did actually. And first of all, I just want to say, Vehicle Simulator has changed a lot. Like, I was driving around and like everything has changed. Like, I want to show you. Like, since last time I recorded this. Like, look at the driving. It's so much different. It's so much more smooth. I really like this update. Like, it's a lot better. But, so yeah, if you guys want to see some more of the series, obviously I'm going to keep continuing it. But if you guys want to see the series often, then let me know by leaving a like on this YouTube video. Yeah, of course, YouTube video. But by leaving a like on this video. But anyway, let's head to the supercar dealership. I've rambled on for long enough. Let's get this Bugatti Veyron, alright? So, the supercar dealership is right over there. We're going to head over there right now. I don't know why we're driving a car through like a park, like a park sidewalk thing, but that's off the topic. But anyway, let's head into here. The reason I have 1.6 million and not 1.5, which is what the Bugatti's price is, let's over here. Yeah, here's the Bugatti Veyron. Let's quickly check out its stats. Its stats are really good. It's max speed, amazing. Handling, amazing. Braking, not the best, and acceleration, not the best. But still, we're gonna buy this Bugatti Veyron. It's an amazing car, and the description of it is, there's so much to this car, we might as well call it the Aider. Okay, alright, let's see. Alright, so, we're gonna purchase this in 3, 2, 1. Purchase! We have the car now. Nice! Now we actually have a really fast car. And now we only have 103k left, so we're poor now. But we have this Bugatti Veyron. I'm gonna turn up my sounds so you guys can actually hear when I pull out the Bugatti. Let's go to our vehicles. Let's head down. Let's see our Bugatti. Where is it? Oh, here it is. I see it. I see a Bugatti Veyron. Ooh, that looks like. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit more because I feel like you guys probably can't hear it. So I'm gonna turn up the volume a little bit more. So let's head into this. Let's head into this Bugatti. I'm sure it has some amazing sounds. Let's see. 3, 2. Oh, okay. You guys have to hear that. That literally roars. Look at that. That sounds so cool. And like there's a bee on the back. Like that is so cool. That is really cool. I really like that. But let's customize this thing because I have been waiting to get this Bugatti for a very long time. And honestly, all of Vehicle Simulator, I know the Bugatti's not the best car, but I feel like it's the best looking car. And in my opinion, it is the best car, in my opinion. Like I really love this car. Anyway, that's off the point. Let's get in this car and let's go over to the customization, like, auto shop thing. And, oh, this is so quick. Dude, this handling is actually really good, too. Like, it's a lot better than my Lamborghini. Like, this handling is amazing. Like, let's check out the brake. I'm gonna customize it first. Then we're gonna check out the max speed and do some nice races. So, this auto shop, it's changed. Like, what? It's really different now. Since last time I recorded this is so different. Anyway, let's go. We need to customize this thing out. Let's see how it looks. And, oh, wow. That is so different. Like, wait, how do you, like, change the color though, exactly? Like, it looks a lot different from last time. So, let's see. How does that look? Ooh, that looks nice. I kind of want to keep that, honestly. But then again, I feel like I always pick yellow, but at the same time, it is my favorite color, so I feel like we're gonna go for yellow for the primary color, and then for the secondary color, we're gonna go with wait, I forgot we could do the hue and stuff. That makes a big change, I'm pretty sure. So let's hire that up. Oh no, that's too much. That's too much. Should we go with orange? I feel like orange would be pretty good too. Let's see what the orange looks like. I like that. I'm gonna keep it right there. With the hue at 10. Wait, what does this look? Oh my. Oh no. We don't want that. No. All right, let's put it at 10 or 7 looks pretty nice. Nah, I'm gonna go with 10. I'm gonna go with 10 because I feel like 10 is the best. It looks a lot better. So let's go with our secondary color. We have to go with yellow for the secondary color. Like, come on, you guys can't like deny that. Oh, that actually didn't look as good as I thought it would look. Let's see. I feel like the hue is too high or it's too low. Like, let's turn it down. Ooh, that looks nice. I like how that looks a lot. I really like how that looks. Oh yeah, we can change the saturation. I didn't know that. Okay. How does the saturation like make it different though? I'm not too sure. Like the more it goes up, I feel like it makes it look more like a brown. And I don't really like the brown too much. I'd prefer yellow. So, I mean, that's a good color, but I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna go with a higher hue and see if like the yellow will show more, because right now it just looks just like a brown and I don't really like the brown too much. So wait, maybe if we change the brightness it'll change that. Oh no. It's just brown. Like, I don't really like the brown too much. Not too sure. I feel like the saturation was definitely too high though. So let's do that. It looks more like a lime color though, and not an actual like bright yellow. I feel like the old customization like is a lot better than this one. Like, this one looks a lot cooler. Like, it actually looks like an actual auto shop and stuff. But like the colors and stuff, I feel like I don't like it as much as I used to. Let's turn the saturation down. Maybe that'll do it. I don't know. I don't like it as much. Let's see what the reflectance does. Let's do a 0.1. And it doesn't look the best. How about a 0.4? Ooh, that looks nicer, I feel like. It gets more of a silver, and I do like that. I like the silver a lot. Should we keep it, though? Let's see what 10 looks like. 9? I mean, I think we can only go up to 9, but 9 looks pretty nice. Should I keep 9? I'm going to keep 9. Alright, so, we've got all the colors down, I'm pretty sure, and we should actually let's go with the license plate. Let's do E-Lash. Wait, let's hope that doesn't get censored though. License plate E-Lash. Yeah. It doesn't work. Okay, that's fine. We don't really need a license plate too much. Anyway, let's go to the modifications. So, engine, we have to go ludicrous. Open menu. We have got to go ludicrous, okay? Wait, yeah, ludicrous. Ludicrous, yeah, let's go ludicrous. Let's go for ludicrous. Let's go with nitro. We have to go with rocket fuel, obviously. Rocket fuel is 100% the best. And, yep. I feel like that's all we should get. What does the turbocharger do again? I forgot what the turbocharger does. Quad turbo. How much money do we have left? Yeah, I have 54k left. I feel like we're gonna get the the single turbo, rather. Let's go to the. I think that's it. Actually, is that it? Not sure. Tires, transmission, suspension. I feel like we don't really need to change too much else. Oh yeah, spoiler. Where's the spoilers? Here we go. Spoiler. Open menu, and let's see. We have the Bayron spoiler. What's the Cayman spoiler look like? Hold up. I don't really like that too much. What did the Camaro spoiler look like? Doesn't really make too much of a difference. Let's see the FTO. I'm not sure what that stands for, but we can't even select it because we already selected. Let's just go with the Veyron. The Veyron spoiler looks good enough, I feel like. So let's have this shop, and I want to see how this Bugatti handles, man. Like, I'm so looking forward to how this Bugatti is, and I want to check out the max speed and everything like that. In the future, guys, though, I will make some more updates once I get more money, because now I'm pretty much broke. I only have 47k left. That is not that much, but, ooh, this is fast. Like, even without the nitro, dude. That is fast. That is fast, and the handling is amazing as well. All right, let's do a max speed test. And oh wait, oh we didn't buy the nitro. I'm dumb. We need to go back to the auto shop. I forgot to buy the nitros. I thought I did. I guess I didn't. I must have accidentally didn't click the whatever you call it, the check mark, yeah, because the auto shop is a lot different. I'm not too used to it at the moment, so excuse me because I'm a noob now, guys. I'm not too sure how this is, like, I'm not sure how good this is and stuff. Like, I mean, I kind of prefer the old one because I'm more familiar with the old one, but also for the tire rims, oh no, that's the rims. No, the tire, oh. They changed it a lot. Like, it's not as, yeah, let's go rim type. Let's see, what does the Arena look like? Not that good, honestly. Let's go donut. What does that look like? Is that any better? No, I don't want the Arena. What about the donut? Donut looks kind of cool, honestly. The Earth, what does that look like? Oh, yeah, I keep forgetting I have to X out of that to go to the Earth. I don't really like the Earth either. What does the Futron look like? Let's X out of that. Futron. I like Futron. I'm gonna get Futron. Futron, let's go. Alright. But we have to quickly go to the nitros before we run out of money for it. Nitro, open nitro menu, rocket fuel, and oh, it's 60K. Oh. Guys, we have to earn more money. I thought it was 50K. Did they increase the price, or was it like that the whole time? I think it was like that the whole time. I think I'm just a noob, but, so, I'm gonna catch you guys in one quick second. I'm gonna quickly get the money that I need to get the nitros, because we need nitros. We can't go without nitros. So yeah, I'll see you guys in one quick second. Alright guys, so we are back. It actually didn't take long at all to get the money that we needed. I thought it would take quite a while, but it didn't. I feel like we get money a lot faster now. And okay, that was way too fast. We're gonna go back in there, and the garage door is kind of glitching, but that's fine. Let's go to our modification. We have to get that nitro, the nitro. We cannot go without nitro. Like, that is a must. That is an absolute must. So let's get rocket fuel. Purchase. Now we only have like 8K, I'm pretty sure, but that's fine. That's all we really need, I feel like. Oh, there's a window tint? Ooh. Let's go up this way. How much is that? Oh, it's one. That's fine. We can afford that. We can afford that. What does that look like? Well, like that. Alright. Let's exit. Let's go do some races now, because I am looking so forward with this Bugatti. Obviously, it's not 100% maxed out, because I thought I didn't need that much money, but I apparently did. And that's fine, though. That's fine. I really, really like this car, though. Wait. Where's our nitros? Huh? Oh, okay, I just can't see it. I was like, wait, where is it? Alright, so let's go to the racetrack, the little quarter-mile one, because that's my favorite place to race, honestly. Buddy. I just crashed my... I'm done. I just crashed my basically $1.6 million Bugatti. Oh my god. Alright, but let's into a race. I'm feeling really confident in this Bugatti, because honestly, the Bugatti is again my favorite supercar. I love this car, and I'm pretty confident that we might win, actually. So a Camaro just beat a Nissan GTR. I'm not too sure how I feel about that. If you guys remember, in an older video, I actually used the GTR. I really, really love the GTR. I feel like it has a lot more acceleration than the other cars, but the race is starting. I feel like me and this guy are going to get in the race, so I feel like we're going to win. So let's already, like, bust our nitros, because, you know, we have to go really fast. And, oh, no, oh, my God, this Bugatti is insane. This Bugatti is insane, and I just crashed it, but that's fine. This Bugatti is so insane, dude. Like, I never expected this much from this Bugatti. Like, this Bugatti is amazing. This is definitely my new favorite car. I love this car so much, and I really love at the back, it actually has a B for Bugatti. That's really, really cool. But, guys, that is where I'm gonna have to end off this video. And the Bugatti, again, is amazing. I am looking forward to doing more vehicle simulator videos. And guys, if you want to see this series return once again, make sure to leave a like. I'd really appreciate it. And also, it does help me out a lot. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya!